Today, we're gonna try to recreate Anna and Elsa's iconic Frozen 2 costumes out of literally nothing. We're gonna have to censor a lot of this. Yes. Ratchet Elsa is in the house. It's literally like our personalities. Can you see our feet? I hate when you can. Can I see what I look like?
No.
Does a ponytail look tacky? I look evil. These buns be making me a devil. Wait, Niki, you're wearing red! Yeah. And I'm like the angel with my angel nails. Yeah, you could keep telling yourself that. Was that recording? Mm-hmm. Can you please keep that in? Okay. Ready, set, okay. Hey guys! So, today we're doing a video because we feel personally connected to Frozen 2. I literally went to the nail salon and asked my nail tech to make it look like I can turn things to ice. And this is what she did. She's so talented. I feel like, I don't know about you. Okay, sorry. I feel personally connected to Elsa. I feel very connected to Anna because she's just my exact personality. She's very impulsive. Yes. She's an overthinker. You would get married. Independent. You would get married to a stranger you just met. Yeah. And I'd also save my sister. And I would throw a tantrum and run off and freeze everything. Like, it's literally like our personalities. Anyways, we've done DIY challenges on this channel where we make outfits from scratch. We did a video like this during the Met Gala last year. We recreated Kendall and Kylie's Met Gala looks. Insert photo. I made the outfit out of a damn basket. And I made my outfit out of boas and duct tape. So now, today, we're gonna try to recreate Anna and Elsa's iconic Frozen 2 costumes out of literally nothing. Like, we have no help, no sew. We don't know how to sew. We don't know how to sew. It's gonna be a little ratchet, but I feel like we could do it. Let's go to Hobby Lobby and see what we can find. I'm gonna dress like her iconic like cape dress with the braid wrapped around her head, but I wanna make it my own. I wanna make it very winter-esque. Now, in the outfit that I'm gonna do, you don't see any of this like damask swirl gold pattern, but this is very Anna, I feel like, so I wanna incorporate this into the dress somehow. Oh my God. Underneath the cape is this color and the top of the cape is purple, but if I flip-flopped it and made this the outside, would be so cute and warm. We need purple silk. Oh my goodness. I see it coming together just with all those next to each other. I want to make mine like a winter princess on it, but the same style. But I feel like this trim could be interesting on something, whether it's the belt or the jacket or the dress. So Anna has like a cuff like around her neck, and I think I'm going to use this bride sash and just cut it. I have to make my own black dress, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Considering I don't know how to make a silhouette, I might just like cheat and get my own long sleeve shirt here and then just make the skirt. I might have to get a kid's large because this is the only long sleeve black shirt I can find. Black velvet, here we go. Oh, I think we're good. I'm so excited to make my own dress. So I just walked in the store and Elsa's top is very detailed and it's clear and it has snowflakes. And I see this, but in a goodie bag version. I'm gonna make a dress out of goodie bags. Wait, ASMR. It's a hard time to do this video during the holidays. I'm literally being glared at right now. Nate, look behind you. Behind you. Oh, this is beautiful. I need some for my apartment. What? For the corset? Oh my God. Honestly, I'm connected on a spiritual level with Elsa. And I like that she didn't end up with a guy. And she's the only queen. She's not like the other girls. The wedding aisle. Yo, I can make the skirt out of veils. Ah, this is beautiful. We're gonna go with this for the cape. Onto the fabric aisle. I think I found it. Holy beautiful. I'm making a wedding dress. Change the title of this video. All right, we're gonna go get these cut. I'm gonna get a lot of like Sam, I'm home. So we're gonna start with the dress because that is the first thing underneath. So the skirt. So for now, I'm just gonna tie these literally like I'm playing dress up. Just gotta get rid of this little triangle right here. Stay. A fastener. Now I'm gonna put a bow right here so I could just tie it. So at least we got this to fasten. middle, like Anna. Oh my god, this would be so much easier if I did something like... Oh my god, yes. Instead of making a blouse. It's hard to make a dress out of no silhouette. I'm sure she's building the outfit on her body. I took theater in college, and one of our requirements was costume history. We had to learn how to make stage costumes. I have an advantage over Niki, so I always win these things. She literally builds them on herself. That's like the one thing no one should do. Honestly, I have a bodice right there. This has to be a joke. Now I'm gonna put the whole entire outfit on the mannequin. Looks so sad. I should have brought nipple pasties because I'm going to be building myself into this corset. This is cookie plate bags. So I'm gonna literally put this around me. We're gonna have to censor a lot of this. Me and Sky are gonna get real close to this video, the editor. I'm wearing this because I'm building the dress onto me. We're all appropriate here. I have a blue strapless bathing suit. I'm just gonna be my own bodice. Why not? She literally builds them on herself. That's like the one thing no one should do. Okay, we got the front. No sew. I'm gonna tie a knot. Great. I'm going to now hot glue my body. Let's not burn ourselves here. I'm now going to put on my bikini bottoms. Turn this off. Okay, now I'm gonna tuck in this fabric. Just tuck that in. We need to make sure this is secure, so we're gonna glue this back to the gluing station. Don't try this at home. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Damn, this is gonna hurt keeping my arm out like this. Whew, this is not easy, bitch. I may need help from my friend Zena. Still my creative mind here. I want this row to cross over this way, like the top of her corset. I want this to go down the center to my hand, kind of how Elsa's sleeves are. So tuck in right here, like right here. Near my armpit, but not really, yeah, like this side. I think we're done. The back is a little sad. We're not showing the back, we're showing let it go. Alright, so Ratchet Elsa is in the house. This whole outfit is coming down because it's all attached to the bathing suit top, and this can only hold so much. So let's not waste any more time. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow! Oh wow! Should we keep like our hair like this to see the movie tonight? Honestly, I wouldn't be against it. That'd be hilarious. Okay, wait, let's talk about what we did. Gabby, guess what this is made out of? Just guess. By the sound of it, a bag. So first I'm wearing a blue strapless bikini top. Then I have cookie tray sheets. And then I have wedding veils for the cape. Aw, wait, that's really creative. And then the arms for a situation. Wait, how did you like put this on? Did you build it on you like you usually do? Yeah. See, I forgot, I had all these challenges, I didn't realize I had a bodice in my room. Yeah, well, what did you do? So, I made my own skirt. It's elastic. I was able to squeeze in it and squeeze out of it because it's that costumey velvet material, so like you could just like put it on over your head or step into it. I glued ribbon right here to look like I'm wearing a shirt underneath. And I made it a square neckline. And then I made this cape, a double-sided like hers, like burgundy fur on the inside. This is something people would actually like buy. Gabby actually took fabric and made a no-sew outfit, and I actually made my outfit out of Christmas decor. That's so funny. We have totally different approaches. So that was this video, guys. We have not done a DIY fashion challenge from Hobby Lobby in a long time. Frozen is like really hyped right now, and I'm excited to see it, and Gabby can't stop talking about it. I know, I saw it 2 days ago and I'm seeing it again tonight. You begged me to do this video. Let us know in the comments down below which take you would prefer. In other words, which twin one, because you guys love this. You love competitions. And also Also, this was different for us for Twinter, but I'm glad that Frozen can tie into a Christmas video. And speaking of Twinter, we have the Twinter giveaway still going on. If you guys want to figure out how to enter, just look at the description box or watch our Black Friday haul because we explain it at the end of the video and also show you guys what you could win. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye. Wait, we didn't have Kristoff come in. Elsa, I have a guest.
What?
I called up my boyfriend Kristoff. Oh! Oh wait, that's really cute.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so
Oh, you have freckles. You got freckles.
You're so cute.
Are you guys going to the movies like this?
No. Ah!
Let's all go to the movies like this.
Come on, please. I'm dead. Oh. We're going to see Frozen.
We can get us Nate up as Olaf.
All right, can we do a thumbnail so I can take this off?
Yeah.
I've been wanting to do this for a long time.